Hello everyone, I am Mua, and today on this episode of Cardboard Craft, we're going to be making something that has been requested so many times. In fact, I received a comment the other day that said, I have requested this 13 times, please make Iron Man's Mark 50 helmet. So guess what, that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to make Iron Man's Mark 50 helmet out of tinfoil, cardboard, and duct tape. Or at least we're going to try. Let's get started. This is a picture of the helmet that we're going to make. If you ever need reference images for anything, Sideshow Toys is a great place to find them because they make perfect replicas of every single character you could ever think of. Well everybody, do I look like Iron Man yet? So my plan for this whole project is basically to use this cardboard head template thing that I've made. It's pretty fantastic. I'm going to use it to basically mold the entire thing out of tinfoil onto this. Mostly I just hope it works. Tinfoil. The aliens are coming. So here I've completed the basic shape of the helmet, and I guess it has potential? After much hard work now, I've drawn out all of the details onto the helmet in Sharpie, and hopefully what I'll be able to do is I'll probably end up cutting out the faceplate to duct tape it gold, and I'll also mold all the details in by hand into the tinfoil, and hopefully it turns out nice. I don't know if you've noticed by now, but I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm making everything up as I go. So what I have done here is I've cut out the face mask from the helmet itself so that I can mold and sculpt it all by itself. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this little piece of cardboard to the back so that I have something to hold on to while I'm working with it. And then I'm going to duct tape the entire thing gold, and hopefully it'll look bueno. Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, but wait, remember from last video when I can just clap and everything will be spot on? Well, we're gonna use that trick again. Man, this trick is so helpful. See guys, what did I tell you? Clapping works every single time. Look, it's even got the... My clapping skills have improved. They can add more detail. Oh look, and his mouth is even there. That's pretty cool. So that was fun and a little bit difficult. So now let's do the easy part. We're just gonna cover the entire, or everything that can be covered, we're gonna cover it in red duct tape. Eatus the fetus. Okay, everybody, we have a problem. We're out of red duct tape. You know, Mom, thank you so much for always buying me red duct tape. So I've decided that for the cheeks here, that kind of indent inwards and are not red, they're actually black and silver. I'll just use the black and silver duct tape, and also on the inside I'm going to glue in these little cardboard pieces to give it a little bit more structure. Hey kids, it's time for Pro Tips with Ua. Are your scissors sticky? 'Cause mine are. Well, lucky for you, there's a thing you can do to make the goo go away. Watch me. This is Dissolve It, but you can call it Goo Gone. This is a paper towel. Goo Gone plus paper towel. equals goo gone. That's all. So I've got it all duct taped up here, but it still needs some support from cardboard. And as we all know, people build buildings out of cardboard, so it's got to be strong enough to hold together a helmet. That's nice. So while you weren't looking, I added even more supports because, especially up top here, it was very flimsy and I couldn't hold it if I wanted to hold it from the top very well. What else did I add? Oh, one around the back here so that it wouldn't crunch in on itself. And I also took some hot glue and glued this piece here to the cardboard frame that I made earlier, as well as down here, here, and here, just so everything stayed in place and so that I could get ready to put on the faceplate. So to secure the golden faceplate to the helmet, what I did was I used a helter-skelter, pell-mell assortment of hot glue dots and cardboard tabs to hold it all on. So now all I need to do is peel off the masking tape. I also used some hot glue to fix some of the things that were funky, but now they're fresh. So I'm missing a few details on the side here, so I'm going to go ahead and do those with some duct tape. So that pretty much wraps it up for duct tape details. I'd say they look pretty spicy. However, there are a few more details I'd like to do with one of these things. So it is looking pretty good with all its Sharpie and duct tape details. However, it is missing one thing, and that is the eyeballs. I've got myself here some white see-through cloth. I've got myself some fabric scissors. And I've got myself some hot glue. And now I've got myself some eyeballs. Cue the montage. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this thing turned out. It's nothing special because it's tinfoil and duct tape, but I'd say it came out really well for being what it is, tinfoil and duct tape. Also, it fits on my head. Give me a second. There we go, it fits on my head, and I can even see out of it. I'd say I look pretty cool. I actually haven't seen myself. Whatever. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this much requested episode of Cardboard Craft. If you'd like to get sneak peeks of future projects, I'll leave a link to my Instagram down in the description below. And if you'd like to support the channel, buying merch is a great way to do that. I will also leave a link to that down there. And as always, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.